Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade V40s, and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app. And here it doesn't really matter if you will be on the video mode or the portrait mode or the photo mode, whatever. I hope that you can see the special type of the grid line, the golden line or golden spiral, I believe. I've applied it before I've started the recording, and it is because I'd like to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work. So after the whole operation, this spiral should disappear. I hope it will happen. So basically all we have to do right now is to simply enter the settings. And as I said, it doesn't really matter where you will open it, on the video or the camera. Just scroll down to the very bottom to find the Restore Defaults option. Your device will of course ask you if you really want to do it, so let's tap on Done if you're ready. And as you can see, we just got back to the camera and the golden spiral simply disappeared, which simply means that we successfully reset all camera settings to their defaults. So basically that's all. This is how to reset camera settings in your ZTE Blade V40s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.